This is our self-developed double-deck differential pressure cleanroom pass box for GMP workshops, biomedical labs, and semiconductor dust-free plants. Made of thick 304 brushed stainless steel with seamless welding, no sanitary dead corners for easy disinfection. 2 independent cabins separate raw materials and finished goods. Each layer has a pressure gauge and regulating valve to block cross-zone dust and bacteria. Double-sealed tempered glass enables material viewing without opening doors, and dual strips stop dirty air backflow. Different from regular interlock pass boxes, it creates laminar clean air curtains to meet Class 1000-10,000 cleanroom standards. Electronic and mechanical dual interlock forbids simultaneous door opening to avoid cross-contamination. We customize sizes, cabin structures, and pressure control systems for pharma, medical, food, and electronics cleanrooms. Welcome to our factory to view prototypes and discuss custom solutions for your cleanroom new build or renovation.